Wanted to get on and share something with you that I got that I know you guys are all gonna love, and me too, because I haven't even opened it yet. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so let's do this. So first off, here's a mini. Okay, here is the mini that was gifted to me alongside this to, if I'm not mistaken, ensure that it's like protected. I think I need to like spray it down. If you get where I'm going, then you're kind of already feeling what the material is going to be on this. Okay, so here we go. They were so sweet in the store. They wrapped it all up for me, and so I'm literally unboxing it with you, like sight unseen from the store, which when I think about it, that may not have been the best decision, because what if they didn't put what I ordered in my box? Like, that could have been a mistake. So we're gonna go ahead and unbox this. I'm very, very excited. Let's go. Yay! Now I have wanted this bag for a while. I wanted it for a while. The way I just threw that across the room. Okay, so it smells amazing, and it's heavy, as all their bags are. Here we go. Put this to the side. Okay, you guys, this is, I'm so excited. I have so many plans for this bag. You guys just don't even know what I am planning for it. Okay, so for those of you who do not know, including myself, I'm kidding. It's just like I remembered. Okay, so for those of you who have not guessed it, I probably should have like let you guys guess first, but oh well, here we are. This is a bag, like I said, that I've wanted for a while. I actually want it in different styles, but I knew I had to start off with this version. It's so, this is fall, this is winter, this is everything. This is the Coach Rogue 39, and specifically it is the suede. Okay, it is suede because I'm a suede girly. I'm very much in the suede, but isn't this giving? Just look at it. Let's just take a look at the details. Like this is so, there's so many details. This is so perfect. Like this is gonna hold, I think, both of my laptops inside of it, actually. Okay, let's just breathe. Okay, Merry Christmas. I'm kidding. Okay, let's breathe. Okay, so where do I even get started? Okay, we're gonna go, just take a second. Okay, so here we are. So like I said, this is the Coach Robe. This comes with a studded detail on it. It is so beautiful. I like even want you to realize like how even on here it says Coach. I don't even know if you can see that because of the light, but like it literally says like Coach on these as well. Like there is so much detailing in this bag, which is what I really, really love. So I'm gonna go ahead and like try and show you. First of all, it is extremely roomy. This is what the inside is looking like here. It has the two ginormous interior pockets, which is why I know I can definitely, hold on, I think I have my laptop. I definitely know this is one of my laptops that I carry. The other one is pretty big, but I know for sure that I can even carry two. Now, of course, it's gonna add some extra weight to it, but it's okay. As you can see, like, I'm already like, there's no structure to this video because it's just literally me just like so excited. Okay, so let me take this out and give you some more details on the bag. So reason why I bought this is, like I said, I think this is perfect for me going around. I think this is perfect for, honestly, really, like, it's a good work tote. I think it's really good for travel as well, and just like an all-around bag whenever I work remote. I work remote a lot, or I go into the office sometimes. So I think that this is perfect for that. I love the fact that I have the ability to do shorter straps on this. I think it looks so adorable like this. I love the fact that it also slouches as well. I'm really a big fan of this color too, because sometimes I always go like really like a traditional, like, you know, brown color, and I think that this is a lighter kind of ashier suede color that I really like. I need to find the actual name of this color. I will, and I'll put it down below for you guys. But yeah, I am a huge fan of the straps. Instead of doing like, now they might actually have like longer straps that you can do, I don't know. Let me see. But yeah, let me just zoom in so you guys can really see the detailing on this. Okay, so it has the giant locks here, which of course come detailed and say Coach as well. It also has in the inside, these also say Coach as well too. And let's talk about the pockets. So on one side, you have two pockets right here to put some items, and then on the other side you just have like where you would put your card. Oh, I forgot to mention, I got it engraved. I completely forgot. I got this, and normally I'm a gold kind of girl, but this, I don't know if this comes in gold. I don't think it did, but I got it engraved with my initials. This is very sturdy, so cute because it's free engraving, and I love that. So yeah. Let's go ahead and open the interior pocket. I love this part right here. Like, I think it is designed so well. I think it's very, very unique. I love like the durability on these zippers. It kind of like reminds me of like a belt or something, like kind of like a guitar strap, what you would do. So we're gonna open up the interior. Here's the interior right here. It comes with another pocket. It's also this fabric inside as well. I mean, all around, I'm just obsessed with this bag, and I love this bag, and I've wanted it, like I said, for a while, and it's literally been sitting here waiting for me to open it. It was a gift to myself, of course. What else could I say about this? What is the official name? So this is the LH/peanut color, I'm assuming. And this is the suede. Let me just actually just show you the tag. This is the tag. Well, you can't really see it, but it is the Suede RVT Rogue 39 in the peanut color. Such a fan of this. I think it's gonna look so cute. Like, this is me. You know, I always do like a random, like, showing you all the different sides and angles. Maybe I should do it like this. Isn't that so cute how this all just like hangs? I love this. This is also perfect because I know that this can fit some of my vanity bags that I have. So these are like my, I think I showed you guys these in the last videos. These are like my little makeup and travel bags that I have. And these, make sure, fit perfectly inside of here. And that's normally, so that's why I'm like, I think this would be really, really good for travel too. I mean, I just think this is just literally such a stylish bag to have. And it's a great size for everything that you need. I will be using this nonstop, and that is also why. So when I bought this, the associate was so sweet. She also gave me this to protect it, but then she also told me that I can get an additional protector, which I have. So let's see, this is the what you use on suede. Use on suede or numbuk shoes. So this is the Suede care kit. It's a bar, rubs away dirt, and brush and renews finish. So this came with that as well. So sweet. I've used this on my Uggs before. So this is a rain and stain protector. I'm still kind of nervous anytime I use these, even though I've used it before and I know it works. So I'm probably just gonna like try it on the like bottom portion of course. Oh, of course, this is how the bottom looks for those of you who wants to know. It comes with the feet, of course. Yeah, but with this, I'm already like obsessed. Okay, so with this, I'm going to spray it, and I leave it outside. I do this outside when I do it. So I'm honestly, it's good weather right now, so I'm probably gonna do it today, or maybe I'll leave it by the garage. This, you're gonna hold 6 to 8 inches and allow to dry for 1 hour. I think last time I let it just dry for a whole day and just left it out there for the shoes, and it literally will repel the water. So anytime you have suede, I'm really into suede this season, so I actually have another suede bag as well that I might share with you guys. Want to make sure that if rain does happen, this is gonna be completely repelling off of it, or honestly, I'll probably just leave it in the car. But definitely spray down your suede items. But yeah, I just wanted to share with all of you something that I've just been holding out on. I'm sorry for all of you, but something I was just like, I can't wait. I want to wear it. I need to share it with my YouTube family before I just start wearing it. You have to get the official unboxing. But yeah, those are pretty much the details here. Let me know if you want. Like I said, I just think all around. It's like everywhere I look, they're like secretly writing Coach everywhere. Like Coach is like written secretly on the rings in here. It's written on the lock. It's literally a staple. I might add another strap to this to make it even like cuter, but honestly, I really don't need one. But yeah, this is a bag and a fan favorite, I know for sure. I slick want one in another color, but maybe we'll get to there another day. I probably really don't need it. This is probably just gonna be enough for me. Like I said, this is perfect for fall. It's gonna go with my fur coats. I think this is a great travel bag. I think this is a great everyday bag, honestly, because like if you're a commuter, I think this is gonna be perfect for all the things that you need inside of it. So yeah, this is my new Coach bag. As you all know, I am a fan of all tiers of luxury, and yeah, I'm just really excited. Just wanted to show you a very cute gift that I got and I love. So thanks.